Alright, I got 10 subscribers, so you know what time it is. It's the fill valve destruction time, my 10 subscribers special. It's already kind of broken. I dropped it when I was trying to store it until I got 10 subscribers, and just split in half, but away we go. Jeez. This thing is broken already, so don't worry about that. Broken. It would not fill. It would not stop filling. Jeez. Something broke there. This thing's already off. This was already kind of loose from when I dropped it trying to store it, but let's go. This thing's actually pretty durable. Full valve's taking a beating. Something came off of it there. That's the seal. One of the seals. There's a bit of moisture in here. Somehow. It's all cracked and broken. Jeez, that part flew off. I'm gonna pile this up so I can throw it all away. So I don't have to make multiple trips to the dumpster. Oof. Alright, this thing is destroyed. Good God. This piping is cracked even more. Oh, this thing's gonna get totaled by the end of this video. Just you wait. Just the beginning. This thing is durable as heck. My God. I'm doing this with my feet only. My feet and my hands. Dang it. That part fell. Something flew over there. I'm gonna search the grass for that if I remember. Let's land it. Now that place the plastic. This thing is just made full of plastic parts. Things I take this back about this being durable. What's you at? Jeez, I'll pick those up. All right, back to this video. Damn, this thing feels like it's falling apart. Trying to get my goal is to get these flutes off of here. It's my biggest goal because these flutes are thin, but they're durable as heck. Dang. I got another part out. I'm gonna do a grass dissection when I'm done with this. See, these major videos only happen on certain subscriber specials. Just giving you a heads up, 50 subscriber special will be a live stream because I need that much to be able to do a live stream. Otherwise, I would have done one way earlier if I could. I would have done a live stream way earlier if I could. God. All right. The big moment. thought that would surely, that was gonna total these. Jeez. It's literally sunset. It is 8:02 right now. We do have school tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to. My bad. My dad needed me for something, but let's go. Try to get these off. This thing is just total. Fill valve total. Ooh. God. Something fell off of here. And it's this. That piece finally came off. Jeez, what's that? And I got the floats off. Finally, I got these floats off. Jeez, this video is turning into a dissection. It's no longer a destruction. It's kind of a dissection now. This was in my bathroom. We have a new Fluid Master in there now. I'm not left toiletless anymore. Jeez, this seals. I'm not gonna bother smashing anymore. Jeez, that thing bounced over my head. I'm trying to maybe destroy that part. There's another plastic piece. I'm not bothering with these floats anymore. They're just not going anywhere with them. I shredded that plastic. My foot totally got that. I'm probably going to be here. It's probably going to take me a bit to collect this trash. I'm not going to bother with some of those little pieces, but... Alright, it's 8:04. I'm going to stop in a bit. This was a last minute thing. I got 11 subscribers yesterday. And I saw that at like 10 p.m. and I couldn't do this inside because I didn't want to just destroy my floors. And I didn't want to have plastic pieces all over my basement. And all over my house. And I couldn't do it outside because it was dark as heck. Even if I turn those lights on, I'd be infested with mosquitoes. I didn't know fill valves are made in like 2021 were as weak as Chinese fill valves. Jeez. I'm gonna make this video up to 10 minutes long. I'm not gonna bore you destroying this for like 35 minutes. And I can't be out here for 35 minutes. As soon as I get in, I gotta do my hygiene. Well, that broke this. See if this will break it again. If I can. No, I just managed to roll this. Dang. I'm gonna jump on it. I don't know how this thing can hold 110 pounds successfully. Because that's how much I weigh. I'm not letting this video get more than 10 minutes long. I'm actually going to stop right now. Alright, that was my 10 subscriber special. This fill valve destruction. I'll see you guys in the next one.